100% Biga. Recipe tutorial in less than 3 minutes. 48-hour pre-fermentation. All homemade. Making Biga. 1,000 grams of bread flour, 600 grams of water, 2 grams of yeast. This is Roberto Susta's Biga no stress method. After 1 hour on the counter, into the fridge for 48 hours. Closing the Biga. Let the Biga get to room temperature. 123 grams of water, 30 grams of salt, 10 grams of diastatic malt powder, 2 grams of yeast. Everything gets mixed in order. First yeast and malt, second water, third salt. After mixing it rests for 10 minutes and then we detach it from the bowl. Transfer to the counter, reinforcing folds, roll up everything, cover, and let it bulletproof for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we can ball up the dough into 280 to 300 gram balls and let everything rise for about 2 hours. After the balls have doubled in size, they can be refrigerated or cut. These are good to go.